Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Mark here with the Crypto Mark. Let's talk some Cardano. Let's get into some of the statements made by the headman himself, Charles Hoskinson. Very bullish statements made in a recent YouTube post where he talks about Cardano, and the statement where he said Cardano always wins. So we're gonna break that down, take a dive into the trading view, look at where ADA is today on the charts, and I'll get you guys on your way by giving you some of my thoughts towards the end of this video. So make sure you all stick around as well, and please subscribe down below. Smash that like button if you have not already done so. Join us here on the Crypto Mark. We talk all your favorite cryptocurrencies, including ADA, every single day, and let's get into it, okay? So here's the big man with that statement, Cardano always wins. So a very bullish statement coming out from the top. We're gonna get into that, but let's take a quick dive in the trading view. This is where we can see ADA trading around 58 cents, a little bit down, right? We're below those moving averages, and this is definitely a turning point where we look if we can get below 52 cents. That's where I'm gonna start worrying about Cardano, but kind of coinciding with the rest of the market, not necessarily something I'm concerned about. Like I said, I haven't sold a Cardano in a long time, right? This is something where I'm stacking it, I'm staking it, and I have a very large bag of Cardano that I have in a cold storage wallet, and I'm just waiting more so on a 2030 outlook, right? That's how it's always been from day one since I bought Cardano the first time, okay? So let's get into the statements, and as always, guys, if you're not using a trading indicator, make sure you sign up using xtalgo.com. That is my trading indicator I use, link down below. Use my promo code NYFC for 20% off and a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like it, no questions asked, but guys, I use on every one of my crypto trades, and it simply works, all right? So that's what I got. Let's get into the statements though. And as always, remember, not financial advice, always do your own research and due diligence with everything crypto and financial. But this is that bullish statement, right? Cardano always wins. Now, what he's relating to is how Cardano is currently managed in the daily, all right? There's no fair competition with other cryptocurrencies, but he believes within Cardano that comes on top. Just due to the unfairness that we've seen with other cryptos. All right, so during this publication, Cardano was at 57 cents, and we're going to talk about some of these price levels. All right, so obviously the support line at 52 cents, that will indicate if we bust through that, that more bearishness is in the cards, and we will see Cardano drop even further. But also the resistance at 59 cents, where Cardano can get above and trade in those 60s, that's going to be huge because for me, I do think that Cardano has a shot to get to $1 and above for this bull cycle. I'm just going to keep it 100. I'm not necessarily going to be in line with a lot of your guys' hopes and expectations. We're not going to see $5 for ADA in 2024. That's just how I feel about it. It's not FUD. It's just my realistic perspective. But for you guys to understand where I'm at, I have a 2030 outlook for Cardano. So I don't foresee anything changing with that. Nonetheless, as we move forward into the exciting 2024 year with the Bitcoin halving, so on and so forth, with that catalytic event that we're all looking for, okay? So more so, we're going to talk about that 60 cents threshold and the moving averages, okay? So as it relates to ADA, this is where we are at that 100 EMA, and that's leading the price even downward further as we've busted through that. Now, if we can have the 200 EMA, right, and touch that, that's where we could see a more of a substantial reversal. So it's been a mixed bag. That's kind of how it comes down to when we look into the chart, we dive into it, and that's something where we don't have that crystal ball in crypto. Everybody wants it, nobody has it. That's just the reality of it. So within Hoskinson's recent statement, that's where you look into how he feels about it. And if you believe in Cardano, you believe in Hoskinson, you would expect that Cardano would see some kind of surge, some kind of resurgency. It's not dead, despite popular belief. I do believe in Cardano. It's a top 10 crypto firmly. Those are just my sentiments as well as it relates to ADA. So we need to stay vigilant though, because within crypto as a whole, it is a very uncertain time. Bitcoin halving, this correction that we're seeing right now on the chart, we historically have gotten two pullbacks before we start that run up that we get normally with the halving. And that's kind of what we're seeing. You can see it right now as we came down, momentum down flash using the trading indicator from 77 cents, getting down to 60, and then we bumped up a little bit, had some momentum, getting as high as 67, and now we are trading hands at 58 cents. So this could be that second leg downward that we see normally within Bitcoin halving cycles. So those are my thoughts I wanted to give you guys in this video. I hope you guys are all doing well. As always, make sure you subscribe down below if you have not already done so. Smash that like button as well. And please let me know your thoughts if you've watched that YouTube video where Hoskinson talks about ADA and his bullish sentiment. Let me know what your thoughts were on that video and his statements. If you have not already seen it, go check it out. But this is what we have going on in the channel. Make sure you guys subscribe on your way out, like I said, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.